Welcome to Cedar City, Festival City, USA. We'll cover the city in another video. Looking at this aerial map of the area, we see that we have Parowan and Enoch to the north, Cedar City there, and to the south, Zion National Park. And as we zoom in a little bit more, we'll see that we have New Harmony down to the south there, Canaryville, and Hamilton Fort. And then we have Cedar Highlands up on the hill overlooking Cedar City. As we zoom in closer, we've got I-15 here, and we're going to move and look at a couple neighborhoods to the west side of Cedar City out here. Now, up here is Highway 56 that goes out to Nevada. There's going to put in an inland port up there that'll bring a lot of commerce to the city. Now, these neighborhoods here, this is Westview, and we're going to focus on these two that are up in the hills here to the right. On the north side, the community is called Northridge at Cross Hollow Hills. That's where I live, so I know these neighborhoods well. And then to the south is Cross Hollow Hills. Cross Hollow Hills is a sister development. Cross Hollow Hills was developed by my father-in-law. He was the primary developer, Rhett Shakespeare. And this is the entrance to Cross Hollow Hills. In order to get into Cross Hollow Hills, you have to come in this way unless you come through Northridge at Cross Hollow Hills. So there's only two entrances to Cross Hollow Hills. This on the south side of Cross Hollow Hills, and then coming from the north through Northridge at Cross Hollow Hills. This is west, 1950 south. There's a few Cross Hollow homes on the south side of this road, and then the majority of our homes are to the north. Most, if not all, the homes in Cross Hollow Hills are on septic tanks. Cross Hollow Hills subdivision has about twice the amount of residents as Northridge at Cross Hollow Hills subdivision, which has about 79 owners. The southeast corner of Cross Hollow Hills is right about here. Now this road continues around, and further development is happening back there, but that won't be part of Cross Hollow Hills. However, it may eventually provide a third entrance into the neighborhood. So we turn to the north here and are looking up the eastern side of Cross Hollow Hills and the homes that are located there. Lot sizes in Cross Hollow Hills are from 2 to 5.85 acres and average around 3 acres. 3 homes came on the market over the past year. The asking prices were from $520K to $899K. This is a view out to the west from Cross Hollow Hills and Northridge. There's a lake out there. It's called Lake Quichapa. It's not a recreational lake. It's kind of stagnant, and Quichapa is Indian for, I think, dirty water. We're now moving south along the southwest side of Cross Hollow Hills, turning to the southeast, east, and north. The road you see coming across the bottom there is basically the northern edge of Cross Hollow Hills, and we're now looking into Northridge at Cross Hollow Hills. Currently, there are only 2 lots that are unbuilt in Cross Hollow Hills, and as far as demographics go, mostly retired folks or people that either work at SUU or own local businesses or work in town. We're panning from the southwest to the west across Westview. There is a little bit of Cross Hollow Hills there in the trees, and then to the north. So moving southeast, that is Schertz Canyon. There's Pyramid Mountain and Cedar Mountain behind it. This home coming up was in the Festival of Homes in 2025. This video is as of February 2026. Check with your favorite agent as to what's currently available on the market in Cross Hollow Hills. Here's a little bit of what it looks like to drive through Cross Hollow Hills. We are on South Cross Hollow Drive. When my kids were younger, they'd call this the roller coaster hill. And we're now turning onto Hillcrest Drive. And we are now in Northridge at Cross Hollow Hills. The video is sped up. I'm not really going that fast. More buyers are jumping in. That means you face stiffer competition from those buyers. So don't wait and buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. Reach out to your favorite agent and make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity. This is an actual sunset picture I took from Providence Center. Text market update to either number for a free Cedar City market update. This lighthouse is an icon of Cedar City, but it is going away when they redo the new interchange with I-15 there at Providence on the south side of Cedar City.